hope this thing's recording. I think it is. I'm above the pedestrian overpass of State Route 599. It's a beautiful Sunday, and I'm trying to just get a few miles on. See what the day brings. Kind of a windy and blustery day today. Hopefully this mic's recording okay, although it's gonna be some wind noise. I do not have an earmuff or wind muff. There's only, I think I'm gonna go take this road down along this path. See if I can get to the South Park Bridge from here. Pretty much clear the path here except some weed that could come out and bite you. Sticks on the road, leaves are on the ground. Oh, thank you. Not necessary. It's motorists are speeding on Highway 599. I think. Well, it's coming down to the end of 599. Okay. This is the Duwamish route. A bicycle there. Don't wear my heavy coat because they are forecasting some tree bark thing down there. Wow, it got peeled off. Forecasting some winds and bad weather. Although it's nice and sunny now. Hopefully it'll hold up. Ah, good timing. Here. White grass here. GoPro's bowing on me. Like I said, it's a Sunday and it's about 12:30, I think, in the afternoon. We're right for about an hour, I think. Be good. Tour around the neighborhood. Get a sweat going. be too far. I don't want to turn here. I should have turned on this over. I'm gonna go underneath it. It's brilliant. Brilliant afternoon so far. Oh, there's a cage here. What is that for? Maybe somebody left it. Their dog here. It's very cool. American bully. Alright, I'm on the bridge. It's been a while since I've been up here, so I usually go up the hill, the Moore Memorial, a lot more plane noise, but this is still part of the action for planes that are taking off and landing. A nice leisurely ride. First fall ride on my trusty steed, my Cannondale. It's, what is this? It's like 15 years old. Still dependable. Right. Down here. Normally I would just park at the top of the bridge and do my chit chat, but I think I'm gonna go down and see the new trail that they've finished it, which is great. These aren't really true bollards, but it still separates the bicyclists from the motorists. Now here's a green pathway that they've painted for bicyclists specifically. Now there's a puddle here. Like that. Okay. Right, that's Boeing airfield there on the right. Navigate this. Gotta go through this new pathway here. Off bump. Alright. We are here, and I think the wind's behind me, so like that. That's good. That was, the path was clearly marked. Although I needed to, now I need to wait. This is nice. Wide pathways with some shrubbery, or at least newly planted trees. So in a couple of years they'll offer you some shade in the sun, the hot summer sun. Awesome. Only 10 or 11 minutes riding here, and I'm already here. I can see a lot more green painted pathways here on the street. That works. Takes me to Georgetown. Here it is. Right there. Thought I'd get my ride done at the start of the Seahawks and Mariners game. Blowing me to. Okay. Oh, there's a two-way here. Two-way bicycle lane, and this is the continuity or continuation of this asphalt bicycle walkway. Fantastic. This is Willow Street. Nice. It's so nice. It's so easy too. It's all flat. I guess you'll come up to the overpass over I-5 here in about a mile or so. And that's an uphill battle bit, going through Albro, and even to both going south and going north. At Albro or Swift, I'm not sure. I think it's Albro. That's lovely here with the leaves on the ground, making them pop against the dark asphalt. And then there's a bike path on the other side of the road that'll take you back. House of Smith Winery here, coming up on the left. You know, and is this elbow?